Hello, today I'm reviewing Diaper Genie. This is very easy to use with the help of foot paddle. You can open it and dispose the dirty diaper. It has a front tilt bin, so it is easy to remove completely while removing the garbage. Secondly, it has a built-in cutter. So pull a bag through the built-in cutter and tie a knot at the end and simply discard the dirty one. It requires a special diaper bags, which is Diaper Genie round refill. You can use the scented one or unscented one as per your choice. So let's see how to set up this. You simply need to tear the strap first. After then, you need to pull the bag from all the sides like this. Tie a knot. I will leave the link in the description box in case you want to check it out. This really sealed the bed odor and kept my nursery free from bed smells. So in my view, this is one of the must-have item of PB registry. As you are going to use diaper at least for 3 years, so hence it is a good investment to keep up the space free from foul smell. So you simply need to pull the bag and put it in the pail. Please subscribe to my channel for more product reviews, kids activities, meals and parenting tips. So in this way you set up refill, close the front pin and it is ready to use.